What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Team Winter YouTube channel. I am Matthew. This is old Becky next to me. In today's video, we're going to be doing some stuff on the rear end. Dad is working on making a support for the door on the right side in the tin. So let's get on to doing that. So we got these cool mounts I'm gonna put on with other bolts. Forgot where I bought these from. I don't remember. But they're for the third link to go from the rear end up to the mount on the chassis. I don't have the third link in yet, but it is on its way.
Easy.
Whoa. No. There's one right there.
Push it through. Push the bolt through, please.
Alright, so this is the finished product of the third link mount. You see it goes into four bolts going through the rear end to the other side on the other mount. And that's going to be it. Alright guys, so before we move on to something different, I wanted to give you guys a good update on the motor that was supposed to go in this car, but unfortunately isn't going to be going into this car till later in the season. Our 602 motor that we bought brand new last year, right from GM, that we blew up in 4 races. We figured out what was wrong with it. We broke 2 pistons. We sent it out to our engine builder, and they showed us, so it has been sent out to be fixed. But it's about a month and a half to 2 months out, so instead of running that motor and not running a car at all, we're going to put Old Faithful in there. That is my first ever late model motor that came in the green car. That's going to be going in this car, and the green car is going to be a roller for the time being. When we get done playing musical motors, the 602 is going to go in this car, and Old Faithful is going to go into the green car. So yeah, that's an update on that. Update on the car. The right side or the left side is door, quarter panel, roof, deck lid, all that stuff is on. We'll go up and hit the decking. The decking, it'll go from the shelf up to the decking and hold the decking up so it can support the door when they lean on it, because for some reason a lot of people like to come up to my car and go like that, and if it's flapping around like that, it's gonna end up breaking. So that's what's going on. We might do some other stuff, but third link's in. We're just waiting on the actual third link to come in. I have it coming. Just waiting for parts to come in. We're slowly getting them all. We only have a couple things left. Now that I know I don't have to put a different motor in it, and we have all the stuff for this motor, it's going to go in there, and then throughout the season I'll buy all the other stuff for the motor to put it in here. it'll lessen the cost for me. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, the right door is partially hung. It's at least sitting on there. So this is what Dad was making. It's a post that go, or 2 posts go up from the shelf, one up front, one up back, and then a piece of 1x1 square stock that goes all the way down that holds the decking up and holds the rivets in. Rivet over there. And the fender's not on yet. So, yep. That is what we have completed today in the shop. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. The car is coming along pretty well. Hopefully it should be done by my birthday, opening day, April 24th. So, yeah. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment if you did enjoy. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I don't know where the batteries are, Lotus. I know what they are.